The groundwork has been prepped, all due diligence observed, and all that's left is to argue the case on the Senate floor and hopefully unseat the Vice President from her post and power in the end. Our Mela Les Moras on the House prosecutorial panel feeling eager and excited to get the impeachment train rolling on the tracks and bring it home to its destination.
The House prosecution panel is now 90 to 95% ready for the impeachment trial on Vice President Sara Duterte. According to House Assistant Majority Leader Jill Bongalon, one of the designated prosecutors from the House, they have long gathered witnesses and evidence from their hearings. What they need to do now is to strengthen it to convince the senator judges their complaint has merit.
Kasi yung mga testigos naman, of course, na salang din naman natin yan sa mga naging pagdinig sa Kongreso. So probably we already have the names of the witnesses. Kaya ngayon pinag-aaralan namin kung magdadagdag pa kami or kung enough na yung mga taong yun bilang aming testigo dito po sa impeachment case.
For now, the House prosecution panel considers it a significant development how the Senate's trial preparations are moving forward. According to House Committee on Good Government and Public Accountability Chair Joel Chua, another prosecutor from the House, the Senate's most recent move affirms their commitment to upholding accountability at the highest levels of government. Chua added the impeachment process is not just about an individual, but about protecting the institutions of our democracy. Meanwhile, following Senate President Francis Escudero's statement that he has no intention of becoming vice president and for sense of propriety or delicadeza reasons, lawmakers should also have no such motive. One House prosecutor said,
Well, personally, I am not qualified, because I'm not yet 40 years old. One of the requirements to become a vice president, never in our conversations that we have tackled about who's going to succeed in the event that the vice president is convicted in this impeachment case. So I guess for me, that is a premature issue that has to be tackled kasi wala pa nga tayo dun sa impeachment trial. So siguro we'll cross the bridge when we get there.
Mela Les Moras from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.